Jai Hind children. Today we are going to learn the steps of problem solving. Here the steps are read, find, decide, solve and check. Step 1 says read the problem and understand the problem. Step 2 says find the information in the problem. Step 3 says decide what to do after finding the information. Step 4 says solve the problem, what you have decided in that, solve it. And step 5, the last step, says to check the solved, means the solution, the result which you got, it is correct or not, check it. RFDSC. To remember the first letter of the steps read, find, decide, solve and check, there is a sentence made to remember this first letter. Rita finds dogs so cute. Here in Rita, R stands for read. In finds, F for find. In dogs, D stands for decide. In so, S stands for solve. And in cute, C stands for check. If you will remember this sentence, you will never forget the steps of problem solving in your life. Rita finds dogs so cute. Okay. Now, let us use these steps and solve a problem. Here, one problem I have taken. That is, Siddharth has some balloons to put up for his birthday party. So far, he has put up 28 balloons. He still has 23 balloons to put up. How many balloons does he have to put up in all? This is the first step. The step says that read and understand. Just now we have read the problem. Children, remember that if you have not understood by one time reading the problem, you read the problem for 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Till then you understand. Read and understand the problem. The first step says. Okay. It is Siddharth's birthday. Okay. He put up 28 balloons. So far, he has put up 28 balloons and still he has to put up 23 balloons. Means 23 balloons are left to put up. Now, the question is how many balloons does he have to put up in all? The question is we have to find out the total number of balloons to put up. So that is the question. Now we have read the problem and understood the problem, that what it is saying. Now find the information. Find the information in the problem. The information given is that so far balloons, so far he has put up 28 and still he has to put up 23 balloons. So we will arrange our information in this way to make it more clear. Balloons so far put up is 28 and still to put up is 23. In this way we have arranged our information. Now after arranging the information, finding the information, we will decide now what to do. Okay. The question asks that we have to find out the number of balloons to put up in all. So to find out, when it is asked to find out the total number, we know that we have to add. If we add, so far what he has put up the number of balloons and still left balloon, how much the number of balloons he has to put up, then we will get the answer, the total number of balloons he has to put up. Means we have to add. We have decided that we have to add to get the answer. To find the number of balloons to put up in all, we have to add. We have decided that we have to add now. Let us solve that. Solve the problem is the fourth step. Now 28 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 and 1 carried. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. We got the sum 51. Means the answer is 51. Now, as per the question is how many balloons does he have to put up in all? For this question, the answer is he has to put up 51 balloons in all is the answer. Okay. We have solved the problem given. Now, after solving the problem, the final step is to check the answer. This is very important, children. After solving the problem, we have to check our answer, that what we have done, it is correct or not. Check your answer. For that, under 3 headings, we will check our answer. Is the calculation correct? First and the foremost is that we have to check our calculation. Calculation is here, that we have added 28 plus 23. It is correct or not? Once again, check it. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Yes, 1 and 1 we have carried. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes, our answer means our calculation is correct. Now, second point, what it says? It says, have you answered correctly? Means the answer what we have written in a sentence form, it is correct or not? He has to put up 51 balloons in all. The question, what the question it is given, we have answered or not? Yes, as per the question, we have answered it. He has to put up 51 balloons in all. Now, what is the third heading says? Does your answer make sense? Here, sense means meaning. Means the answer which you got, it is having any meaning or not. It's having meaning or not. Let us find out that the answer which we have written, he has to put up 51 balloons in all, means Siddharth has to put up 51 balloons in all, means total number of balloons he has to put up 51 balloons to decorate his room on his birthday. It is making sense. It is same sense means it is giving a meaning of this answer. So we have done all the checkings also. Checklist is also correct. So our answer is correct. Remember, children, these steps are very important in problem solving. If you follow these steps, it will make you easy to solve any kind of problem. First, read the problem and understand the problem. Next is find the information in that problem and then decide what to do, how, then solve, and then finally, and the most important is to check your answer. Do not forget to check your answer. It is the most important one, that what the answer you got, it is correct or not. You should check it. Okay? Jai Hind, children.